What's guys, my name is and we are back for another video. So guys, I'm going to show you about the Pokemon tree created by Mr. Catfish. So yeah, let's go back to this one. Let's get this. Now all we just need to do oh, I picked it up. There we go. Okay. Going up. Onto the road. Let's go! This is actually pretty fun. Whoa! Oh, shoot! Oh! And also guys, if you want this mod, I'll just put the mod down into the description below. So yeah, actually I'm not gonna put it down in the description below. All you just need to do is just go over to your T launcher and actually just done it. We just need only is to like it's only to just like go over to your T launcher and go over to the mod of the T launcher. Just click the T launcher mod. You just click on and then just search vehicle. Now in that.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.